Hi guys, very good morning everyone. Welcome once again to your favorite learning platform for GATE, engineering services, PSUs and all state level technical exams as well, and that is the OM Institute. Okay, your favorite choice for ECEE and instrumentation aspirants. And let's get moving ahead guys. And one of the session I took earlier, HPCL 2023, the previous year HPCL questions I discussed from the quantitative aptitude, because in HPCL, see 50% is straight away general aptitude, and that's a really big weightage. Okay, you should focus there. Of course, other than that, technical and electrical, there are only 6 technical subjects they have kept. Okay, mostly core and EMF. Okay, so you don't find other subjects like control or signals here. But in the core, you have the power system, machines, measurement, power electronics, network, and EMF. Okay, these are the 6 subjects that you have. But at the same time, 50% is aptitude. Out of the aptitude, also, see, I told you in the last session also, 85 questions if there are. Just a second. Let me just confirm the audio. I think it is fine. But at the same time, 50% is aptitude. Out of the aptitude also, see, I told you in the last session also, 85 questions. Let me check it out for a moment, I think. Okay, yeah, so let me just reconfirm the sound once. Okay, fine guys, looks good. Hi, good morning, Patil. Okay. So I was telling you that out of these 85 questions of aptitude also, which is 50% of the total weightage, out of the 85, 34 is quant, 34 is logical reasoning, and 17 are from English. Okay. So majorly quant and reasoning. So I have already taken one session, GATE 23, all quant questions. Okay. And now I'm discussing. So students demanded, okay, let's also have a reasoning based session, because next weekend itself is the examination for HPCL, as you are all aware. Okay. The 18th of August is the exam date. So yes, guys. Okay, today we shall discuss the logical reasoning questions that were discussed in the HPCL 2023 paper. The HPCL 2023 paper. Okay. Also, guys, a very important update for all of you that, as you know, the Telangana, entire year calendar, for competitive exams has been released by the Telangana government. Okay. And the examination for Transco, okay, as well as the AEE will be conducted tentatively in the month of January. The final notification will be there in the month of October, but you are aware about the dates now. 6 months are there almost. January is the exam. Okay, so complete preparation guidance workshop, offline workshop, okay, at our Om Institute, Hyderabad, Dilsukh Nagar Center, August 11, that is the Sunday at 10 a.m. Okay, all the students or parents are cordially invited to this particular event and know everything about this. Okay, what are the benefits of working in these sectors? What is the job, nature? What is the expected salary for all of you? And how will the exam be and how you should prepare for the exam? For the free registration, just call on 95156940053, right? Okay, so guys, now come on, quickly, let's get started with the question. So as I'm telling you, these questions were under logical reasoning, or you can call it as intellectual potential. You can call it as intellectual potential. Okay, so, whatever logic you have to place now, okay, is based on some logic, okay, some basic logics or basic numbers. Suppose what number will come. So one of the very famous, frequent topic, I will say famous, so will not say, from the LR part is the series and sequences, all those things will be there. Okay. Yes, Yuvanesh, definitely you will get in good core company if you touch 50, 60, and if you go beyond 60, then your chances are fabulous. Okay, can't exactly say TS right now. Let the notification for ISRO come, because they have been quite uncertain about how they are recruiting. Okay, but yeah, maybe they give, but I cannot be sure right now. So 7, 24, 32, 49. Okay, just simple one. Okay, because when I go to 7, when I go from 7 to 22, what I'm getting is an addition of 17. Okay, 24 to 32, I have 8, then another 17, then a 8. Okay, and then again 17. So next number should be just a plus 8, and answer should be 74 plus 8 is the 82. Okay, option number A, here it is. Option number A. Simple one it is. Let's move ahead with the next one. What will come in place of the question mark? Again, a series based question, quite similar, alternate numbers. Okay, alternate numbers are being put up here. Okay, so 89 to 78. Now this looks like decreasing. Okay, so how much is the difference? Negative of 11. 78 to 69, this is negative of 9. Okay, so mine decreased 9. Okay, again decreased 11. Again 9 difference. Again 11 difference. So next should be again minus 9 difference. So it should be correct. Na? This is, so next should be the 29. Next should be the 29. Okay, very simple, you can say. Okay, or you can look into these patterns as alternate 89, 69, 49, 29. Okay, 20 difference, if you take the alternate case. Okay, so that way also I can call it as the 29, right? Chalo, next one. What will come in place of the question mark to make the following series logically complete? Okay, it's letter and number based. Okay, here they have taken the combination of letter and number. Is it not working? Here it is all fine. Chalo, anyways, yeah. Okay, so what it is? We have ZA1, YB11. So C, XC, then 111, and then you have WD1111. So what is next? So this is the decreasing letter X, Z, Y, X, W. So V. Okay. Oh, sorry. Correct, V. And then here it is E, and then 5 ones. Option number D. Simple, straightforward questions. Simple, straightforward questions. Next one. Which of the following pair is similar to the expression below? Okay. 32587 is to 78523. Now, if you have a look into it, if you just arrange them, okay, it's a logical connection. I'm telling you, these questions you have to think more like logical, in a logical way. So see, 785, read it reverse, 78523, 78523, correct? 78523. Now, what is next? What is next? What option should be there? Okay, it has to be whatever is the first number, reverse. Second, you just have to reverse the numbers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, no. 3, 4, 8, 1, 7, so 7, 1, 8, no. Okay, 4, 5, 8, 2, 3, so 3, 2, 8, 5, 4, yes. Okay, C is the correct answer. Okay, that is the logic. If you see the next one also, 7, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, so 2, 3, 7. Okay, 6, 5, no, this is also wrong. Okay, so next question. Which of the following will replace the question mark? Okay, which of the following will replace the question mark here? Have a look into it. 56 is to 121 is same as 50 is to something. Now you see, 56 and 121. 121 is 11 square and the sum of the digits 5 and 6 is 11. So similarly, sum of the digits here 5 plus 0 is 5. So this question mark should be square of the 5, 25. 25. Okay, don't take, I'm telling you don't have to think about these questions numerically. You have to think about these questions logically. Okay, don't take it as a ratio question key 56 is to 121 is same as in the proportion 50 by something. Okay, don't take it this approach. Okay. Next question. A similar type of question in the same paper, in the same exam, 73 is to 16. Now you see, okay, 16 is basically 4 square and the difference between the digits of the first number, okay, is 4. Okay, so if I use the same logic, 9 minus 5, the next number 95, 9 minus 5 is 4. So this question mark should also be 4 square, that is 16. That is the 16, answer is D. Next question. Let's keep moving ahead quickly. In a certain code, coding based question, water is written and read off. Very clearly you are able to see that reverse. Okay. Okay. Reverse. Just reverse the alphabet. Salt. One more example is given to just verify it completely. Salt. TLAS. Yes. Okay. This is reverse. Okay. So how will hydrogen be written? So just reverse. NEGOR. Okay. NEGORDIH. Answer is D. Simple one. Okay. So I'm just, simple questions. I'm just moving through them quickly. Okay. But in case if you think that, yes, you have the potential to solve it and you must be having simple one only. Okay. So whenever I give the question, you can pause the video momentary. Okay. You can solve it up and then match your answers. Next one. In a certain code language, sky is 55, air is 28. Okay. Sky is written as 55. Now, sky, when you talk about the positions, okay, when you talk about the positions of these letters, okay, S, okay, will be 19th, I think. Yes, JK, K is 11 and Y is 25th. Dear, when you add, okay, then you have 55. Okay, so whenever some words are written as numbers, okay, try to usually assign the position. It will be mostly based on the logic of the position of that particular number. Okay, position of that particular number. Next, let's verify this, whether my logic is correct. That is why they have given two different codes. Sky is 55, air is 28. So air A, I and R. Okay, so R will be 18. Okay, so when I add this is 28. Perfect. Okay, so this logic works. Okay, so what should be the code for the water in such a coding system? Okay. Okay, water is 23, air A is 1, T is 20, E is the fifth letter, R is 18. Okay, so 44, 49, 59, 67. Check out your answers. It's D, 67. Okay, it's D, 67. Next question. If A means multiplied by, okay, so they have now given the letters some codes. So whenever A comes, it means multiplied. Whenever B comes, it means divided. Whenever C comes, it means minus. Whenever D comes, it means plus. Okay, then what is the value of this? Okay, so into, just let me write here, minus, and B means divide and D means plus. Okay, so what do you solve normally for? See, it's an expression of the kind 10 into 5 minus 24 divide by 4 plus 1. Okay, so division and multiplication will take the preference now. Here it is 50, 24 by 4 is 6 and then subtraction and addition will come. So it is 44 plus 1, 45. 45. How simple a question it is. You just have to place the correct code. These are all the questions which only require your basic concentration, nothing. Okay, no extra brain required. Okay, just concentration and patience so that you don't do hurry-burry errors. Okay, next. Now I have found that in the same paper, based on these codes, okay, they have asked 3 to 4 questions. So that makes the paper even more simple. Like, okay, I think, yes, see, 3 on them. 3 on them. So see, again, okay, this is multiplied. C means what? C was minus. Okay, B is divide and D is plus. So again, 11 into 4, 44. First, let me solve the multiplication part. Okay, then 18 by 6. 18 divided by 6, 3. Then minus here and then plus here. So 41 plus 6, this one is 47. This one is the 47, correct? This one is the 47, simple one. Next, one more. Okay, next one more. You complete this as homework. It's just plus minus question, so you can just complete this as homework. Same, even the codes are same. A is multiplied, B is divided, etc. Next one. If all symbols are removed from the series, then what will be the 7th element from the right? Now see, this is also very basic. You just have to read with concentration. What they are telling, if all the symbols are removed, then what will be the 7th element from the right? Okay, so let me remove the symbols. So there are 3 things here. Symbols are there, numbers are there, letters are there. I have to remove these symbols. This is also removed. This is also removed. This is also removed, and etc. Okay, etc. What is the seventh from the right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, D. Few seconds. You can solve this question just in few seconds. Next, now again on the same type, there are 3, 4 questions in the same paper. That makes it even more easy. Okay, now develop some, not the same expression, but some, again, a series is given comprising of numbers, letters, and symbols. How many such numbers are there in the series which are immediately followed by letters? Numbers followed by letters. Okay, numbers followed by letters. Okay, no, so this is followed by a symbol. Okay, number followed by a symbol. Number 8 followed by a symbol again. We need to be followed by letter. Okay, this is again number 4 and K. Okay, number 6 and J. 8 and symbol. No, it's only 2. It's only 2. The number followed by a, okay, letter. Okay, number followed by a letter. How many numbers are there in the series which are preceded and followed by symbols? Now numbers, previously question was, okay, numbers followed by letters. Now, how many numbers are there which are preceded and followed by symbols? Before and after, both the place you find symbols. How many such numbers are there? How many such numbers are there? The number, see, this is surrounded by symbols. Now number, yeah, this is also surrounded both the sides by symbol. First, let me find number, no, this side it is letter. Okay, so this is not to be counted. Again, number, this has letter here. Again, number, both the side letters. Okay, and this is end, so it doesn't have anything to write to. Again, there are 2 such cases. How many? Again, there are 2 such cases, right? Next question. How many such symbols are there in the series which are immediately preceded and followed by numbers? Okay, now how many symbols? Okay, which are surrounded by numbers on both the side. Surrounded by numbers on both the sides. So how many such symbols are there? Okay, so like this is a symbol, but it is not surrounded by numbers on both the sides. You want to find the numbers on both the sides. Okay, so symbol. Here it is, surrounded by numbers on both the sides. Again, this is a symbol. This one is again a symbol. This is again a symbol. This is again a symbol. So again, this is only having one case. This is having only and only one case. How many such letters are there in the series which are immediately followed by numbers? Okay, letter followed by a number. Okay, letters like A, B, C, D. Letters followed by a number. R7 followed by a number. So N, J, no. C2, number followed by number. Okay, N followed by number. Letter H followed by 8. Okay, F7. V followed by symbol. No. Okay, so these are how many cases I've counted? 4. Option is B. Similar theme, na? Multiple questions, 4 or 5 questions on the similar theme. So that's making the paper more easy. So last year, aptitude, even quant session, if you see, that was also easy. Logical reasoning is pretty more easy. Okay, one evening just before the sunset, 2 boys, Sanjeev and Manish, were talking to each other face to face. If the Manish shadow was exactly to his left side, which direction was the Sanjeev facing? Okay, so one evening just before the sunset. Okay, evening, the sun sets towards west. Okay. The sunset happens towards the west, right? That is the basic common sense you should know. Okay, now, what they have given, if Manish's shadow is exactly to the left side. Now, sun is this side, na? West side. Okay, the shadow will be falling towards east. This is how sun rays will go. So, whatever shadow will be towards east. And the Manish shadow is exactly to the left. So, that means, dear, the Manish boy should be standing here. Okay, so that his shadow will fall to his left side. If this is left side, the Manish is facing to the south. Then only this is the left side, na? Okay, then which direction Sanjeev? And they are talking to each other face to face, Manish and Sanjeev. Okay, so if Manish is looking down means south, I mean, so Sanjeev will be facing up. Up means north. B. North. Basic direction, common sense question. Basic direction, common sense question. Okay. Next question. We're ready for you. Based on the statement given below, identify the total amount spent by a university in 10 years. Total amount spent by university in 10 years. The university purchased 100 items worth rupees 100 in a month. Okay, 100 items worth rupees 100. Okay, so this makes the amount as 10k. The university purchased 20 benches for a total of 100. For a total of rupees 100. So 10k plus 100. Okay, this is expenses in a month. Now here, I will tell you in this question, the official answer they have given, the official answer they have given, okay, is C. Both statement 1 and 2 are required. Okay, to answer the question. But I don't agree on that because, see, what identify the total amount spent by university. Okay, these two statements, okay, are able to tell you that 10,000 plus 100, okay, is the total amount spent by the university in a month. That is 10,100. So you can calculate for 10 years also. Okay, but there are two information that is missing. There is no statement mentioning that the university only purchased this much. Okay, okay, total amount spent by university can also be in terms of, salaries, in terms of rents, in terms of electricity, not only in terms of items. Okay, so there is nowhere mentioned that, okay, that a university is only going to spend the amount on only these two, and that too for a span of 10 years. This is for in a month. Okay, they have even not mentioned that there will be same expenses for each and every month for throughout the 10 years. Okay, so that is why, okay, both statement 1 and 2, even if you take, it is not sufficient to give the total amount. So according to me, answer should be B. Okay, according to me, answer should be B. Okay, they have given C. Unfortunately, they have given the wrong answer. That's what I feel. B is what is correct. Okay, because it's nowhere mentioned that these are the only expenses for the university for 10 years. Okay, for 10 years. Like they only bought 20 benches for a total of rupees 100. No, it's not. Okay, that is one expenditure. But it's not. There should be maybe third statement that these are the only expenditures of the company for the span of 10 years. And for every 1 month, the expenditure is fixed. Okay, so I go with answer B. Okay, how is the husband? See, they might have taken it from some book or some website. They don't verify it. They just, okay, maybe the question itself from wherever they have taken in the book or the website, it might be wrong there only. Chalo. Okay, how is the husband of the only daughter of Salma's father's wife? Salma's, okay, suppose this is Salma. Okay, fathers, okay, Salma will have a father. So father I will write, no, father to child relation, we write down to bottom. Okay, Salma's father's wife. Okay, so Salma has a father, a wife. The father is married to his wife. Marriage is shown by the equal to symbol. These are basic blood relation codes. Okay, now what they are telling, only daughter of Salma's father's wife. Okay, the daughter of father's wife is the daughter of father also anyways. Okay, so this is Salma. Okay, now how is the husband of this only daughter? Now she is the only daughter. Okay, daughter. Okay, let me mark it as female. Okay. Salma's only daughter of Salma's father wife. Father wife, they have only one daughter, and that is Salma. Okay. And I'm talking about the husband of this only daughter. Okay. So she is married to some husband. Okay. Husband, again, let me mark it as male. Male we represent by a box and female we represent by circular symbols. Okay. Now, how is this husband related to the Salma's father's wife? Salma's father's wife. Okay. Can we check it out? Salma's father's wife. Okay. So, these two are married, they have a daughter. The daughter is married to a husband. So this husband becomes the son-in-law. Okay, this becomes the son-in-law to both. Okay, so who is the husband? The relation is husband is related to this particular guy as son-in-law, as the son-in-law, right? Okay, chalo, next question. Very, very simple. Now, some arrangement questions are there. Very, very simple. If K greater than L greater than M greater than O, which of the following is biggest? Yeah, what sort of question they're asking, I don't imagine. Okay, it is very clearly mentioned that K is the biggest. The answer is B. It's a sequence given. Yeah, what else they can ask? It's a simple, kuch nahi ho sakta. That's what I will tell. Free. These are free marks for you. Grab it up. If the rank of a girl in a group is 9 from the top and 18 from the bottom, how many more girls are required to make the total number? Okay, now rank. Okay, is 9 from the top. Okay, suppose this is the girl. Okay, and 18 from the bottom. And suppose there are total n students or n girls. Okay, now this is, if I count the numbering from bottom. Okay, if I count the numbering from bottom, if this is n minus 1, this may be n minus 2, etc. Okay, from the bottom, this is first. From the bottom, this is first, this is second, this is third. That means second from the bottom is n minus 1. Third from the bottom is n minus 2. Okay, and they are telling that the same girl is 18th from the bottom. Okay, so if second is n minus 1, third is n minus 2, so 18th should be n minus 17. Okay, if I have to go here, from the bottom it is 18th, na? And this 18th, okay, should be how much? N minus 17. Okay, n minus 17. And this is also the 9th position, same. Okay, that means, let me write it here. This is n minus 17, which is equal to 9. N minus 17 is 9. The value of n is 26. Okay. Now, how many more girls are required to make the total 45? Right now, total 26 girls are there. 19 if you add, you get total 45 girls. right? Arrangement basic question. Okay, from the top and bottom. And again, I think 2-3 questions are there of this kind. Yeah, Ranjita is 26 from the top and 8 from the bottom. Same girl, Ranjita, is 26 from the top. Okay, suppose there are n girls. It's simple. How many girls are there? Okay, this is n girls. So this is n minus 1, n minus 2, etc. Okay, if I count from bottom, again, if I count from bottom, this is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and she's 8 from the bottom. Okay, she's 8 from the bottom. Agar hum bottom se count kare. Okay, and if third is n minus 2, 8th will be how much? 8th will be how much? N minus 7. 8th position is n minus 7. So what should come here according to this logic? N minus 7, but already it is 26. Okay, so n minus 7 is 26 and the number of girls is 33. It is 33, option number D, simple one. Okay, next question here. In a class, total number of students is 42. From below, Sabita's rank is 26. What is the rank from top? Okay, now let me write this clearly. N is 42. From below, okay, Sarita's rank is 26. Okay, 26 from below. Okay, her rank is 26 from below. Okay, and 26 from below, what is the rank from the top? See, again, if you want to mark it now, 1, 2, 3, etc. And this is n minus 1, etc. Her rank is 26th. Okay, from the bottom side. From the bottom side, 1, 2, etc. She's at 26. Who? Sarita. Okay. This Sarita. This is 26th from the bottom side. Okay. And there are 42. Okay. There are 42. So this 26. Okay. This 26. Okay. Should be n minus. This is 26 from the bottom. Na? Achha, number of students are given here. Na? Number of students are given up here. Okay, from the bottom it is 26. What is her rank from the top? Tell me. What is her rank from the top? Oh, I'm confused. N minus 1. This is 26th from the below. Okay, fine. If this is 26th from the below, if this is 26th from the below, what is it from the top? What is it from the top? So this is correct. This is n minus, okay, I got it. This is n minus 1. So 26 means n minus 25. Okay, that is 42 minus 25. N is given. I was not looking into it. 17. From the top, it is 17th. Simple. From the top, it is 17th. Correct. From the top, it is 17th. Next. 6 women. Okay, 6 women. Asmita, Vinny. Just a second. Let me reconfirm it now. Top, it is anything. Correct. Correct. Okay. 6 women, Asmita, Vinny, Chanda, Daya, Neerja and Roshni are sitting in a row facing north. Okay. So, yeah. Chanda is sitting immediately between Asmita and Neerja. So, they are sitting in a row facing the north. Okay. First of all, let me make this. They are all facing north and there are 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 friends. Okay, so now let's read. Chanda is sitting immediately between Asmita and Neerja. Okay, Chanda is between Asmita and Neerja. Okay, that is one statement. Okay, so what do I have is Asmita, Chanda, Neerja, or maybe, see, Chanda is between. So where is Neerja and Astima? That is not known. So I can have these two combination. Vinny is sitting immediately to the right of Neerja. Okay, here I get it. Vinny is immediately to the right of Neerja. So this is wrong. Okay, because to the right of Neerja, it should be Vinny. Okay, so what is the correct possibilities? A, C, N. So we have at least one sequence here with me. A, C, N, V. These 4 make a sequence. Okay, so I have read this statement also. Vinny is sitting to the right of Neerja. Roshni is not sitting to the right end of the row. Okay, so Roshni doesn't come up here. Fine. Okay. If Daya is sitting at, okay, they are clearly mentioned. Daya is at the right end of the row. So here it should be Daya. Right end of the row is Daya. Okay, then who is sitting to the immediate right side of Chanda? Okay, from this sequence itself, my answer is coming. Immediate right side of Chanda, immediate right side of Chanda is Neerja. Correct answer is C. Okay, now Roshni is not sitting at the right end. Actually, they may give a data Roshni is not sitting at the left end of the row. Okay, they have mentioned Roshni is not at the right end. It is very clear because Daya is at the right end. Okay, so the data is not sufficient to make the complete sequence. There are two possibilities here. Okay, there are two possibilities here. Roshni may be here. These four are together. Okay, so maybe A, C, N, V, R, D, or maybe R can come up here. R, A, C, N, V, D. Okay, these are the two possibilities that can happen. Okay, so they have not asked the complete sequence. Okay, but yeah, who is to the right of Chanda is Nirja. Answer is option number C. That is very clear. Okay, that is very clear. Okay. No. If you are currently in the final year, that means if you have just entered the fourth year, so you cannot write down the exam for HPCL, and it's on August 18th. Next one. 6 women, Asmita, Vinisa. Now, same data, another question. So we have already solved the data. Now let's see what is the question. Who is between Asmita and Nirja? And they have asked you one of the again simplest question, because the first statement they have told Chanda is between Asmita and Nirja. And then they are asking who is between Asmita and Nirja. They are giving you the answer within the question. Sometimes it is that simple. Okay, they have told Chanda is between Asmita and Nirja, and then who is sitting between Asmita and Nirja? Answer is there. For this, you don't have to even solve this. So two questions on the same data here. Okay, now again a very, very simple. Which among the following option is correct on the basis of statement and the conclusions given below? Okay, now statement. Sunil is greater than Rahul is greater than Rakesh is greater than Vikash is greater than Mansi. Okay, conclusion number 1. Rahul is the shortest. Wrong. Na? Rahul is in between. Conclusion 2. Rahul is the tallest. No. Rahul is neither the tallest. Tallest will come up here. Neither the shortest. Okay, so both conclusions are wrong. Neither conclusion 1 nor conclusion 2 follows. Very simple question on logical deduction, because they have given you the answer in the statement itself. Okay, it's direct answer. Sometimes you have to apply some logic, but this is like a direct answer they have given within the statement. Okay, next. Now again statement and conclusion, syllogism based question. Previous one was a simple one, nothing to be applied. Okay. No watermelon is a cashew. Okay, suppose these are watermelons. Okay, none of them is a cashew. Syllogism. If you want to understand syllogism, very important for GATE also, for HPCL, for ISRO, or or even for Telangana AE examinations, APA examinations. Syllogism is important everywhere. So you can watch my full videos on the syllogism available. No watermelon is cashew. So suppose these are watermelons, these are cashew, no intersection. No cashew is a mango. Okay, so no cashew is a mango. Cashew and mango, they don't intersect. So now there are two cases here. Cashew and mango don't intersect. Okay, but these two may intersect. So mango may be here also. There are two possibilities. Na? Cashew and mango should not intersect. Cashew and watermelon should not intersect. There may be some intersection. Okay, between cashew and mango. Some apples are mango. Okay, some apples are mango. Okay, so whatever it is now, some of the apples will be mango. Okay, some of the apples, let me draw it like this. Some of the apples are mango. Okay, so if these are apples, some of the apples will be common with mango. So if this is mango, this is mango. Any one side, they will be common. Okay, now conclusion. No mango is a watermelon. No, that's what I'm telling. No watermelon is cashew and no cashew is mango. But these two may be having something in common. These two may be having something is common, but they are not having, both of them are not having anything common with cashew. Okay. It's like A is the enemy of B, B is the enemy of C. Does not mean that A and C are enemy. Okay, they may be friends also, na? That is what. Something like that. No mango is cashew. That is very correct. Okay, mango may have something in common with watermelon, but nothing in cashew. No cashew is mango means no mango is cashew also. Vice versa, true. Okay, some cashews are watermelon. Some of the cashews, again, not possible. No watermelon is cashew. How some cashews can be watermelon? No, they don't have anything in common. Okay, and some apples are mangoes. Okay, sorry, next statement is all mangoes are watermelon. No, all mangoes are watermelon. No, maybe some of the mangoes are watermelon. That also may be. But all mangoes are watermelon? No. Okay, so only conclusion 2 will follow, option number A. Okay, right. Yeah. Rakesh, as of for this year, ISRO examination was held in the month of January. Okay, we are waiting for the next examination update. Okay, chalo, let's get moving ahead, guys. Next question here. Which among the following option is correct on the basis of the statement and courses of action? Okay, statement and courses of action. What is the statement given? The wheat crops. Okay, this is also a logical deduction question. Okay, not some verbal question. Logical deduction based on the given statement. What are the course of action logically that should be taken? Okay, the wheat crops have been affected by the hailstorm for the year 23-24 in majority of the states in India. Okay, so there is something happened. The wheat crops have been affected by hailstorm. Okay, and that happens in majority of the states in India. Now, what action should be taken? What action should be taken? Compensation should be given only to those farmers whose crops are more than 60% rotten. Compensation should be given only to those farmers whose crops are more than 60% rotten. Looks like correct, because maybe it's affected in majority of the states, not everywhere. So maybe in some of the lands, in some of the farms, okay, owned by some of the farmers, the crops are good. They have not been spoiled. Okay, so they don't need compensation. The compensation should be given only to those farmers whose crops are affected to a big percentage, like 60% or so we can fix. Okay, but then government should do a proper survey to find out the percentage of wheat crops being rotten. Otherwise, everybody will come and say that yes, my majority or my 80% of the wheat is rotten. Okay, so government should do a proper survey and then the compensation is given. So both look like the correct course of action. Both logically looks like the correct course of action. Answer is A. Next, again same, statement and course of action. About 50% of the students in a state high school board examination have failed due to the question paper being set that is very difficult. About 50% of the students in a high school board examination have failed due to the question paper that was set was very difficult. Okay, now course of action. All the failed students are given a good lesson as they have not done hard work. Okay, so see, paper was hard, paper was difficult, but not everybody has failed. Now 50% have failed, rest 50% have qualified also. That means they have studied thoroughly. Okay, whether the paper is easy or tough, you have to study thoroughly. Okay, so what is one course of action? Definitely all failed students, okay, first they should be explained and given a good lesson that yes, you, of course, maybe paper is difficult, but your preparation was also lagging. Okay, your preparation was also lagging. You have to improve. Okay, so this looks like a correct course of action. Tough paper should always be set. No, there is no, this does not mean that, government always have the intention to make tough paper and, fail the students. In fact, normally not now. What happens in board exam these days, the papers are set easy, comfortable, so that majority will pass. Majority will pass. Okay, so this does not look like a course of action. Okay, based on the above statement. Okay, papers may be tough or easy. That depends on the body setting the paper on that particular year. Okay, so one follow, we can say one logically follows here. But every time tough paper should be said, we can't, conclude from here. Next one, again a syllogism one. Okay, statement and conclusion. Read the statements and see. Okay, read the statements and conclusions carefully. Assuming that information in the statement is true, that is what syllogism question will mean, even if it appears to be at variance from commonly known facts. Okay, decide which of the given conclusion logically follows. Okay, so some quotes are alphabets. Again, suppose these are quotes, some of them are alphabets. Some alphabets are words. These are alphabets. Some of them may be words. So again, it may be possible quotes and words may be something in common. And all words are poems. See, whenever I say all A are B, okay, so A should be inside B. All A are B. Okay, suppose this is B, so all of the A are B. Similarly, what I say, all the words are poems. Okay, so words will be inside poems. Okay, all the words are poems. Okay, now that means poem is a bigger set, W is a smaller set. How big it is? The poem may be big. The poem may be big even to incorporate others also, but I'm not sure. But poem should be big enough to incorporate at least the W. At least W should be there inside the poem. That means poem is bigger. How much bigger? Maybe the poem is so bigger that it includes A and Q also. That is again maybe. That is again maybe. Now have a look into the conclusion. Some words are alphabets. See, some alphabets are words. Okay, so some words, see something in common. If some alphabets are words, so some of the words are also alphabet. It is logically followed. Okay. Next, some poems are quotes. Okay, some of the poems are quotes. See, I'm telling you now, poems may be big enough to incorporate quotes. And then I can tell you that some of these poems, this is complete poem. Some of the poem may be quotes. Okay, but this is again maybe. So I don't call it as a conclusion. Conclusion means which is 100% concluded. No second choice. Okay, all the quotes are poems. No, no. All the quotes are poems. Again, maybe if you take the second case, all these quotes are within poem. But again, this is maybe. Okay, some poems are alphabets. Now, definitely see, poems will include at least the words. That is confirmed. Okay, and some of the words are alphabets. So out of these many poems, some of the poems are alphabets. That is correct. Some of the poems are alphabets. That is correct. 1 and 4. 1 and 4 follow. Option number D here. 1 and 4 conclusions will definitely follow here. Okay. Now again, it depends on when the notification is coming, when they are conducting the exam, then they will mention that what is your, whether you have, see, suppose if I tell you, I'll give you a simple example, Rakesh, if the exam happens in this semester, like October, November, up to December or January also, then final year mostly will not be eligible. So it depends how the examination cycle is, when it is going to be conducted. Okay, guys. So once again, a quick reminder that the big important workshop for TG Transco, okay, and AEEE, because the Langana State exam calendar has been announced and we are expecting these exams in the month of January. So what is the complete preparation strategy and everything about their exam and the job nature, okay, the salary, everything. Come live at our offline center Sunday 10 a.m. Okay, Hyderabad Dilsukh Nagar Center. Okay, and watch this workshop. Come, you all the students along with your parents are invited. Okay, so for free registration, call 95156 Okay. And guys, the next offline regular batch for the GATE examination starts again Sunday, August 11. The fee 66,000 is currently priced at 56,000. Okay, and there will be 50% scholarship for IIT and NIT students. Okay, 50% for OM previous students and 30% for state government and triple IT students. Take the benefit of it. Okay, and there's a complete regular one-to-one, live guidance with the faculty. You can watch, you can study under the complete offline batch. Okay, complete supervision of the faculty and the entire team of OM Institute for ECEEIN. Okay, but at the same time, if you believe that you want to study with the same best faculties but cannot by chance travel to Hyderabad for the offline course, okay, so you can still get the same content, same faculty supervision, okay, same variety of questions, okay, in the online live batch. Again, live batch, one-to-one interaction with the faculties will be available there as well. Okay, so for GATE 25, 29,999 fees is currently priced at 19,999, and for GATE 26, the fee currently is 28,999. All these live courses you can watch in our app also. You can download the app on the mobile or you can watch it in the browser. ominstitute.live is the website for it. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you. Stay connected with me. Okay, so this was the session on the HPCL logical reasoning, all questions of 23 that we have discussed. Okay, you can be connected with me in the social media handles like Telegram, whose ID is mentioned here. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe and do take care of yourself.